Hey guys, and welcome back. Well, as you know, John Singleton's will was outdated. Now, it's lacking a critical component that is wreaking havoc on his family, and now his 7 children are embroiled in conflict over their father's estate. Now, we've learned the children have lawyered up over John's estate, which is reportedly worth around $35 million. Now, John's mom, Sheila Ward, filed his will in probate court last Friday, and his will was leaving all of his property and possessions to one child, Justice. Now, that was his firstborn, and that was the only child he had when the will was written. Now, Singleton had a total of 7 kids at the time of his death. Now, the will never accounted for the additional 6 children, and under California law, unless the unborn child were specifically disinherited in the will when John signed it, they may have legal claim to a portion of his estate, and no such clause exists in the will. Now, Sheila Ward is the executor of John's will, and that is his mother. And when she filed her legal docs, she listed his assets at around $3.8 million, which was a lot less than what it is. That means more than $31 million is unaccounted for. Now, most likely, John created a trust with assets that don't have to go through probate court. In other words, it's all taken care of outside the will. Now, we don't know who gets what in the trust because trust documents don't have to be filed in probate court, but that is clearly the bulk of John's estate. Now, we know at least one of John's kids is furious at his grandmother because while he was in a coma, 21-year-old Cleopatra accused her grandmother of trying to cut out all of John's kids out of his estate. Now, in addition to challenging the will, the kids could file a separate lawsuit if they have beef over the trust or whatever John created to dispose of the $31 million. Now, a legal fight may not just pit grandma against grandkids. It could also pit some of the kids against the others. Well, I was afraid of that. I did a video the other day saying that sometimes, and I know that, people make wills and then they don't go back after they have other children and update their wills. And then, many stars die without wills, which we saw in Aretha Franklin and Prince, which I still can't imagine Prince not having a will, but that's neither here or there. But I hope they come together. I knew if when this was filed, I said I hope she does the right things with her siblings. So it's probably gonna get a little nasty. But I pray that it won't, and I pray that they all come together in peace and harmony. And I hope you will too. Alright guys, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you will like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And as always in parting, be blessed.